Good evening, folks. To a challenge for Andrew Mini for the Curry Auto from Select Challenge Live. Top 3 get spots for the main. Dan to Clayton, copy that list in the randomizer, 11:22 PM local time. Dan on top. Clayton on the bottom, dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. 9 times, good luck. Looking for the top 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times Maddie Gabby, one more time, 11:22, congrats 2. Spot 9 Maddie, spot 7 Gabby, spot 1 Dan, picking up spots in the main. Had to go 9 times, did go 9 times, verification code at the bottom. But there is our top 3, congrats. Challenge complete.